So we're at the blueberry fields and I'm irrigating. Probably got a clip of how we do that, what we're doing somewhere in this film. I figured while I'm here, I might as well pull out red, white, and blue. And like I said in a previous video, I ordered another one of these. Two reasons. One, I want to see if, because this was marked with a hand serial number, I want to see if the ones that come from the regular stores are any different. And two, my daughter loves these things. It's probably our favorite car. So, oh, I need batteries. That's the blueberry fields. Mowed 2 days ago. There's another mowing already. A lot of big rocks. I said the water needs the drips. Blueberry looks good. Hit that hole. This is 3S. Ooh, there's so much power. Bouncing all over. This is rough. Great cars here. That's blueberry field. Blueberry field forever. Ha! Alright. Should be something. This is how we feed the berries. Inline injector with our fertilizer tank. And it's just basic nutrients, salts. Nothing fancy. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. About a month. Eachine E520. I'm gonna go kind of so to start it out, you just go side like that and it links. I've already calibrated, so I just want to start them up. So I spin them around and you hit the up button, it goes up. It should hover. Now, I did hit a tree with this the other day, so it's not exactly fast. Whoop.
Yeah, I remember you left it on in the car.
Hoping it'll stay. I should be able to turn on the app now. Let's see if it'll go.